Okay, so good day everybody. So I am back. May ihahabol lang po akong konti kasi may nabalitaan po kasi ako kay Aling Marites dun sa kabilang kanto na ang rason daw kaya naghiwalay si Bea Alonzo at Dominic Roque is dahil daw wala silang prenup. Tapos bigla pong sumingit si Aling Marisol na kung prenup lang pala yung kulang, ang babaw naman daw po ng rason ng pag-back out nila kasi picture-picture lang daw yung kulang So dapat daw po nagpa-picture na lang sila para walang problema. Tapos bigla namang sumingit si Aling Marisa, sabi niya na yung prenup daw is hindi daw yung picture-picture but it is rather a kasunduan or a contract between future spouses regarding their properties or ari-arian. So in short, ayun, nagkagulo po sila doon, nagsamok-samok na sila kung ano ba talaga ibig sabihin ng prenup. Kaya nandito po ulit ako today para pag-usapan po natin kung ano ba talaga ang prenup para po mas klaro tayo. Okay? Okay, so first question po muna tayo. Sino po ba ang tama between Aling Marina at Aling Marisa? So kung ako po ang tatanungin, parehas po silang tama because the word prenup is an abbreviation of the word prenuptial or before marriage. So dito po kasi sa atin sa Pilipinas, commonly used po kasi yung term na prenup when referring to the prenuptial photo shoot. Pero yun nga po, hindi naman yun lang ang ibig sabihin ng prenup. There is also another meaning. Kaya tama rin po si Aling Marisa. The word prenup stands also for a prenuptial agreement or kung sa Tagalog pa ito yung kontrata o kasunduan between the future spouses regarding kung ano yung mag-govern sa way ng pag-manage ng ari-arian, properties at pera nila once ma-perfect na nila yung contract of marriage. Okay, so klaro po tayo dun sa definition of terms. Now, punta naman po tayo dun sa kwento ni Aling Marites na ang tinutukoy daw po na prenup dun sa situation nila Bea Alonzo at Dominic Roque is the prenuptial agreement. So, ngayon po baka namumroblema kayo, di ba? Baka isip nyo po, Attorney, ano po ba yung problema kung walang prenup? Cause of concern po ba yun? Kasi kami po ng asawa ko, wala po kaming prenup Personal opinion ko po dyan, generally, hindi naman po cause of concern yung pagwawalang prenup sa inyo ng mag-asawa because unless na lang po sobrang yaman ninyo na sure kayo na magiging cause of away yung kayamanan or pera nyo eventually sa marriage nyo. So kung ganung situation po, ang advice ko magpa-prenup kayo. Pero kung sakto-sakto lang naman po yung ari-arian natin or kung magkasundo naman talaga kayong mag-asawa, then I suggest na hindi po talaga kailangan na magkaroon ng prenuptial agreement naman po. So i-example ko na lang din po sa amin ng wife ko na si Zen, wala naman po kaming pinasukang prenuptial agreement. So ang nag-govern po sa amin ay tinatawag na absolute community of property regime under the family code. Okay, so baka meron po kayong follow-up question, di ba? Example, Attorney, kung hindi po pala siya cause of concern, bakit po nagkaroon ng back-outan dun sa situation nila Bea at Dominic? And the reason for that is because pag wala po kasing prenuptial agreement, yung mag-govern po, like what I have earlier discussed, is what we call the absolute community of property under the family code. So, ibig sabihin po nun sa ACP, lahat po ng ari-arian, kayamanan, properties mo as an individual, pag magpakasal ka na sa partner mo, will form part of the absolute community. Same din po yun sa magiging asawa mo. In short, yung ari-arian yung dalawa, magiging combined and it will form part nga po ng ACP ninyo. So lahat po ng profits na ma-generate nun, lahat po ng ari-arian na ma-acquire nyo during your marriage will also form part of that common property. And the consequence po nun is that you will be co-owners of all your properties now as a married couple. So imagine nyo na lang po if one of the parties in the marriage is a billionaire tapos yung isa sakto-sakto lang yung kayamanan. So sa ganong situation po, I think it is safe to assume that eventually in their married life that will be a cause of away. So pag ganun po, sana pumasok na lang po in a prenuptial agreement to avoid any issues later on. So yan po, hopefully klaro po kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng prenup. So like what I have earlier discussed, prenup can refer to the prenuptial photo shoot and it can also refer to a prenuptial agreement. And the reason why I am emphasizing this is because may nakita po kasi akong comments na nagsasabi na bobo daw ng Pilipino kasi yung alam lang is yung puro photo shoot, which is tama naman po yun na photo shoot talaga when you say the word prenup kasi it is a very commonly used term in our country. In short, yung request ko lang po, wag nyo sana i-bash naman yung kababayan natin na hindi alam yung prenuptial agreement. Kasi yun nga po, commonly used din naman yung prenup na term for photo shoots. So wala na pong mag-aaway, okay? Klaro na po yun. Again, prenup can mean photo shoot, but it can also mean a prenuptial agreement. Para po sa may mga legal concerns, wag po kayong mahiya lumapit. I am open to online or office consultations. Just message my social media pages for an appointment. So God bless po. Ingat po kayo palagi and until next time po. Bye-bye.